Mintu. Okay, I will surely watch and get so nice marks in exam. Guys, you also go and subscribe English Master if you want to score percentage like me. Chintu will download. After watching video, no go from there. Also like and subscribe the video.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will try something new in my channel. It is a grammar series. It is open for all grammar learners. Firstly, I will clear your basic. After that, I will move to advance. Lesson number 1, basic grammar. Noun. Topics to cover: types of noun, full topic and special word meaning. Graph of grammar. Before watching the video, your graph 35%, and after watching the video your graph 85% will be improved. Let's get start our zero to hero grammar journey. So that this topic noun, okay, I underline that this is a topic of noun. Learning time. So first, noun. What is the noun? You know everybody, but I will try something in my language. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. It can also an idea. Means you have a lot of idea, that is also a noun. So that types of noun, you know, kinds of noun, types of noun, both are the same. So first proper noun, second collective noun, third common noun, fourth material noun, fifth abstract noun. Okay. So first, you know, proper noun, I will define you. This is a definition I written in my board, so I am telling that. The special name of person, place, animal or thing. Example, you know that Tarun, just like a name. Tarun is just like a name. Proper means you showing the your name of a specific person. Just like Africa. Africa is a country, a specific country. You know that. Understand? Africa, not a only country. Country is a common, but Africa is proper name. January. January is a month name. Gateway of India. Just like you know that. This is a specific name of monument. Okay, and next, second definition, collective noun. A group of individuals, animal or things. Example, a fleet. You know that fleet, just like a fleet, just like group of sheep. You know that. A class. You know that class is a normal. Anybody know? A school. Anybody know? And third definition, common noun. You know that the greatest name of any person, place, animal or thing. Just like example, boy. You know that boy is a common, but Ram is a proper. Just like I'm showing that. Mother, park, library, cat, lion, book, car. Understand that this is a common, not a proper. You know that the specific name, but common is a general name, showing that type of name. Okay, coming show fourth number, material noun. The name of a materials used to make different thing. Just like you example showing that iron, you know that gold, wood, stone, cement. Just like a material. Then you can make anything. You know that. Then you gold, then a wood, everything's a useful make anything some new. Fifth number, abstract noun. An idea, a quality or a state and not a concerned object. You know that Joe, just like not concerned in any object, your feeling. The example, beauty, love, freedom, surprise, kindness, all types of ideas, feeling, emotion, that is a showing of abstract noun. I written some example that like you understand very easily, and how can find who is the common, proper, collective, abstract material. So all are examples so showing that you can identify very easily and you understand very clearly. So let us discuss the question. Some question first. So okay, write common, proper, collective, abstract for the noun in bold, bold, just like a marking that red color, and name of black color is a name. So Joya went down the flight of stairs in a state of panic. So you understand that not know the name of flight. So flight is common noun, and panic also you know that the who is the person's panic. So this is also common noun. Second example, the box's lid flew off and a swarm of lotus rushed out. You know that the boxes of lid flew. This is a collective. And swarm, you also know the swarm is a collective. This is bold in underline. Third is Jaya's mother is a woman of integrity and loyalty. You know that not feeling, not just in your. Jaya's mother is a woman of integrity and loyalty. You know that, understand, feeling, emotion, just is abstract noun. So integrity, loyalty, woman. Okay. And fourth number, we will visit Spain, Greece, Italy and France of our European tour. So we will visit Spain and France on our European tour. Again I am repeating that some things. So you understand that Spain is a name, Greece, Italy and France all is a name. So this is proper noun. So understand the name of a country, a specific name of country. And fifth number, we have to buy gold tomorrow. Do you understand that gold is a material? So this is material noun. So I have written 4 word meaning. Daily I will give us some word meaning. So you have to improve your English communication, English skill, English language. So you learn that. Discrimination. You show that meaning is written in your copy if you need, and if you understand, if you remember without written in your copy, watch my video every time and learn that and use in your language daily wise. And so, you know, discrimination means bhed bhav. Bhed bhav, understand that. Begging means bheek mangna. Horizon means badmaas. Troll means chidhana. I have written word meaning and also in a Hindi explaining that you need of some word you didn't understand without Hindi. So I have written some 4 word meaning. If you like your first basic video of grammar, if you want to, again I will repeat another topic. So please like, subscribe my channel.